Hey guys, happy Friday. Wanted to hop on really quick and show you some more short formals that we have. This time I pulled some that's going to be good for homecoming, it's going to be good for fall formal. Sorority formals are coming up, so there's some in here for that. There's also some in here that if you just have a sorority event coming up, or even if you have like a wedding to go to this fall, we have plenty of dresses for every occasion, so definitely come in and see us. So the first dress I pulled was this it's a royal blue. It is a satin. It has like 2 layers here at the skirt. It's fitted right through here. It does have a little bit of an open back right there with little crisscross straps. It is a sweetheart neckline and strapless. It is size 0 and it's $35. Right, the next one I pulled would be really good for a fall formal with the sleeves that it has. It is kind of a blush color. It has a lot of silver sequins and beading. It is fitted. Just a simple kind of layout of how it's made, just the sleeves and a simple neckline. It is a size 4 and it's $50. The next one I have would be really good for a middle school dance because of the high neckline and the cap sleeves. It is a blue like a light blue underneath, and then the top of it is this black lace. And it's a very cool lace. It's not your typical lace, so that makes it different. And then there's the back of it. It is a size 4 and it's $24. So like I said, this would be really good for a middle school dance just because it is a little more conservative, and it's a really good price point for your daughter that's going to a middle school dance. This next one would be really good for a sorority formal. It is fully beaded in sequins, and it's kind of those ones that kind of go up and down and change the way it looks. It is an open back. It does have a little strap that goes across right here, but it's just nice and basic, simple sequins. And then it is nice and fitted. It is a size 4 and it's $47. The next one is this really cute kind of periwinkle blue. It is a tulle skirt, and then the bodice is lace, and it does have that illusion neckline right there. It is an illusion back, however, it doesn't go nearly as far down. So like there's your waistline, and then here's where the lace comes up to. So once again, this one would also be really good for a middle school dance. Like I said, it's got a little more conservative to it for your younger girls, and it's a little more age appropriate. This one is a size 6 and it's $55. The next one is this pretty royal blue. It's a royal blue tulle. It has a lot of AB stones and beading, which is always a favorite of ours. There's the back. It has a sweetheart neckline and it is strapless. It's a size 6. It retailed for $300 and we have it for $99. Alright, this next one, once again, is going to be really good for homecoming, fall formal, or even the sorority dances. It is a nude illusion fabric on the shoulder and on the sleeve. It also has the nude fabric here and then down the hip, so probably a little more appropriate for a college girl. So like I said, it does have that illusion on the side there. And there's the back. It is a size 6. It retailed for $300 and we have it for $65. This next one I pulled is going to be really nice and basic, but we have plenty of belts that you could put on it that would really fancy this up, and so that's always a great thing to add, especially if you can find a dress that's for a really good price, and then to add that belt is going to help you dress it up and make it more like maybe what you're wanting. It is a little sweetheart neckline. It is kind of that stretchy material, so it's got some give to it. It's strapless. It is a size 6 and it's $30. This next one would be really cute for, you know, just any kind of event that you're needing to go to, because it is a little more casual. Also would be perfect for homecoming if your homecoming's a little more casual, or even fall formal. If you just want something a little simpler for your fall formal, that's perfectly fine too. It is kind of pleated at the skirt. It is bright red roses. It has this little ruffle across the neckline. It's one-shouldered. And then there's the back. It is a size 8 and it's $35. Alright, another one that I pulled is this one. This color is kind of a gold mustardy color. It's like a satin fabric, and it has these cute little ruffles on the skirts. And then the bodice is just straight across. It is strapless, and it does have this stretching in the back, so that way it's gonna be nice and fitted for you. It's a size 8 and it's $24.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This next one is going to be really great for a formal because it has so much beading. It is a very cool design that it's got going on. It's kind of a Gatsby kind of look, so if you have maybe something that's Gatsby themed, that would be awesome too. And it does have a little bit of extra on the bottom that's a little see-through, but then, like I said, like the dress underneath comes all the way down to here, and then it just has these little scallops almost. And there's the back of it. It does have cap sleeves. It is a size 8. It retailed for $100 and we have it for $44. And the last one that I pulled for you guys today is this beautiful red satin. We love red here at the shop. This one is, it has pockets, so that's always great to have. Lots of girls love the pockets. It has this cute black beading, and we have awesome black earrings to match with that, so definitely, even if you get your dress here or if you don't, check us out for earrings and jewelry, because our jewelry is anywhere from about $15 to $20 for a pair of earrings, which is actually a really good deal. And there's the back. And then it's an Angela and Allison. It's a size 12. It retailed for $500 and we have it for $226. Alright, so I pulled a little bit of everything to show you guys because I wanted to show you that we do have a lot more variety than just the typical, tulle skirt with, a bodice. So I wanted to show you guys the different things that we do have. Definitely come see us for your homecoming, for your fall formal, for your sorority events. We have everything that you could possibly think of, and come see us for your jewelry and every other accessory that you could possibly think of, because we have so much here. So just stop in and see us and let us help you find what you need. Alright, bye guys.